Here are some ICE vehicle fires. That's a Tata Nexon, definitely not an EV. You can see the tailpipe, and this is a petrol version of it if I'm not mistaken. And horrible accident in the middle of the highway, explosion, no time to escape. Guys, never buy ICE vehicles, never buy these diesel petrol vehicles. They are so dangerous 30-40 years down the line, and people are still manufacturing dangerous ICE vehicles. We have an option now. EVs are available. Shift to EVs, leave these ICEs. They're not worth your time, energy, or effort. So here you have an MG Hector. An electric version of the MG is available, guys. Go in for that. Don't buy this polluting ICE vehicle. It will cause you problems. Just like you can see, the entire road, the traffic is jammed, no warning, suddenly just explodes into fire. Dangerous for people. At least the EVs, they have the smoke, they have these safety measures. Most of the time they don't even catch fire. They shut down or go into eco mode, not allowing you to even catch a fire. But this is not possible with these ICE vehicles. EVs have advanced early warning systems, and even then when there are fires, they aren't as dangerous. This one here is a two-wheeler. As you can see, this is a Bullet, and it has suddenly caught fire. The fuel tank is right there, very flammable, dangerous material, and now people are clamoring because at any point the entire tank and the motorcycle itself could explode and hurtling debris in every which way, in every direction. So stay away from ICE scooters, stay away from ICE motorcycles. EVs are available. Go in for those. You should stay clear of these dangerous ICE vehicles at any cost. Here we go. There's another ICE vehicle, and there are many ICE vehicles. There's a tank right below. The entire petrol tank is right there, and look at that. No time, suddenly you are burning. There are no flames, there are no warning indicators, there are no fumes or smoke which you have in electric vehicles, and now his hose has caught fire, and now they're running, and of course 20-30 years, many times this has happened. Okay, so now I'm waiting for the explosion to happen, and there suddenly his motorcycle has caught fire, his pants have caught fire, he doesn't know what the heck to do, and he's left the bike right there and run away, and everybody is in panic. That's a very dangerous thing to do. This would have not happened had this been an EV. There would have been smoke, you would have enough time to take it away and park it somewhere where nobody would get hurt. But here it's right next to the petrol tank. Everybody is fleeing the place, and yet the entire petrol tank has burned up, the entire petrol bunk. Imagine the loss of ecosystem, the amount of smoke that's gone up, the loss of material, too much. So there you have it, guys. This is what PluginIndia has to share with you. There are tons of more such clips on the internet. Unfortunately, our media and press doesn't pick them up, and we're not stopping ICE vehicles from functioning. Let's go safe. Let's have a cool-headed approach about this. So have a great day. We drive electric, and so can you.